What's up YouTube? What's up gang? It's time for another trade recap, shall we? Once again in some random ass location. I switched hotels once again. And I wanna go over today's trade in particular. I have already posted it on my story. You can go ahead, follow my Instagram, that's where I post all of my trades on the daily, that's where you get to see the trades first. And today I want to go into the trade in specific. So going into the trading day, for me I was clearly on a bearish bias. I was looking for shorts. And what basically happened was I got my first TP filled and then something happened, and I will explain this later in the video, that got the rest of my position to be break even, and which would have usually changed my bias. So going into the Asia session, which begins right here, what do we have? We go up. What do we do on London? We go up. So what do we have here now? I mean, we don't have much room to the upside, do we? So what I wanted to see was for us to take out this low, this low, this low, this low, and maybe even this low right here, which I have marked out perfectly. I have marked it out. I was really motivated. I was like, let's go, easy shorts. But it's a day post FOMC and markets tend to be not as precise as they usually are. So going into this, what did I see? I saw on the 15 minutes chart in particular this fair value gap. What else did I saw? I saw this market structure shift, and I saw this bearish order block. And for this trade in particular, the S&P was for me my leading index. As you see, S&P took out these anticipated lows, which I anticipate on the Nasdaq. So I usually wanted to see for us to go ahead, go down, and at least go down to Asia lows. This would have been for me it was an A+ setup. I took it right ahead. And what happened was, at this low, right over here, I took my partial for the trade. And what happens for me when I place my partial, my first partial, my stop loss goes break even, which I did right here. And for me, something unfavorable for my trading idea happened. And you guys can look at this chart for a second. And I will get everything off. See this chart. And now see this chart on the S&P. What do we have? What do we have? We have a bullish S&P. If you have guessed it right, if you've seen it, congratulations. We have a bullish S&P which played out very clean. You could have placed some good longs here on the S&P. So my trading idea was very certain, and I took my partial and I played it safe as always, and in the end got stopped out break even. So what happened here? I had a clear bias in mind. I took my trade based on that bias, and the bias changed through one specific thing, which was this SMT. But I still played it safe. I took my partials, and my stop loss moved break even. So I still made a winner out of this trade. This all happened. Oh, excuse me. This all happened. Oh, I cannot leak anything here. This all happened on my combine only actually today. I'm currently preparing my combine. That's where I took my trade. This was my P&L. I just created it, like, it's a pretty much fresh combine. Here are my trades, and this was a trade today. I was looking to at least write it down here, but it just did not happen, so alright. Yeah, this was my whole trade explained. For people that have a larger span of attention, might want to watch these videos and maybe learn something from them. I hope it was very helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, gang.